Marketing your cleaning businesses on a budget is all about resourceful and leveraging free items or low cost strategies. Here are 20 ways to promote your business. And this is your girl, Milan, the cleaning boss. Let's get into it, everybody. Start marketing your business without breaking the bank. So, tip one, create a Google business profile. Free, helps you show up on local searches with Google Maps. Number two, leverage social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Share your cleaning tips, before and after photos, customer testimonials as well. Step three, join Facebook groups, mom groups, all types of business groups. Encourage potential customers in the community groups and offer helpful advice. Step five, build a simple website or use free or low cost websites builders like Wix or WordPress to establish your online presence. Step five, optimize with SEO. Use local keywords like affordable cleaning services in your city to rank higher in the search results. Step six, claim all business expenses. Post on Facebook, post on Instagram, etc. So if you want to leverage low cost marketing, these are your strategies to try. So do it like half and half cleaning services. Market everything on a budget. This is your girl, the cleaning boss.